Hey all you YouTubers out there, this is Vic and I just wanted to give you some information. I have a 2017 Nissan Armada and it's been going through the batteries and trying to find a solution for it. I'll give you the solution very quickly and then if you want to keep listening you can, but it's really simple. See this right here? That tells me if the battery's charging. There's a little battery symbol right there. That tells me if the battery's charging. Before I did what I did, that charge mark was right in the middle or a little below. And every once in a while it would jump up to where it's at right now. So I knew there was something wrong. The battery wasn't charging completely, so I did a bunch of research and I'll get to that point right now. But I'm just going to give you a solution. I just popped the hood and I'm going to walk outside, open it, and tell you what I did here. So just bear with me. Opening the door. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is the solution right here. If you look, this is the negative battery terminal right here. And then there's a little bracket right here. Underneath there, this little piece goes plugged in underneath the bottom there. And that goes to the computer, and all you have to do is unplug that thing and tape it off, and that's what I'm getting ready to do now. That's the solution. As soon as I did that, the charge on the inside of the car picked up. So the reason now, if you don't want to listen anymore, you don't have to. That's the solution. That fixes it. It's that simple. Take this off, unscrew that, pull that off. On the side here, there's a little clip right here that goes to this. You just pop it down like that and pull it out. I had to use my pocket knife. Anyway, you pop that out and that quits sending a power signal from the battery to the computer. And what it does is they figured if they can get the alternator to not kick in as much, the horsepower on the motor doesn't need to be generated as much, so that's going to save gas. So over millions of cars sold, or whatever, thousands of cars sold, that energy going into the alternator directly converts to gas savings. So over the thousands of cars that save fuel, they save fuel for the better of mankind over a huge period of time. And really, that's great for everybody else, but it doesn't do anything for me, so I'm going to unplug it. And look at the little friend I got here. Man, that's a daddy long leg spider. Anyway, that's a solution. Good luck. I hope it works for you. Bye.